In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle in WPS Office. Creating and customizing shapes like circles is a great way to make your documents more visual, organized, and professional. Whether you are designing a worksheet, a diagram, or a simple layout, knowing how to work with shapes in WPS Office can save you time and give your document a polished look. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process step by step, including how to adjust the shape, change its colors, and add text inside the circle. To begin, open your document in WPS Office and make sure you are in the editing view. Once your document is ready, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Under the Insert tab, you will find the option labeled Shapes. This section contains all the basic shapes you can add to your document, including lines, rectangles, and circles. After clicking on Shapes, look under the Basic Shapes category and select the oval shape. This is the option used to create a circle. Once selected, click anywhere inside your document, and the shape will appear on the page. At first, the shape may not look perfectly round, but you can easily adjust it. To resize the circle, drag the corner handles outward or inward. If you notice that the shape becomes stretched and loses its circular form, simply press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard while dragging the corners. This keeps the shape perfectly round and ensures you get a true circle every time. Once the circle is placed and sized correctly, you can customize its appearance. To change the fill color inside the circle, click on the shape to select it. Then go to the Shape Fill option. From here, you can choose any color you like. If you prefer no fill at all, select the No Color option, and the inside of the circle will become transparent. You can also modify the outer border of the circle. Click on the Shape Outline option to change the border color. You can choose a solid color, such as black, or select other styles, like dashed or dotted lines. In the same section, you can adjust the thickness of the border, making it thinner or thicker depending on your design needs. To add text inside the circle, right-click on the shape and select the option to add text. Once this is enabled, click inside the circle and start typing. If the text color does not stand out clearly, select the text and change its color so it is easy to read against the background. By using these simple tools, you can draw a circle, customize its colors, adjust the border, and add text directly inside it in WPS Office. This makes it easy to create clean and informative designs for any type of document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.